The fuck?
That's not water. What you mean? Fucking snap. You just sneeze. Come on, I'm not playing now. You don't know my germs.
I said I'm sorry.
But what was that? Mean?
I
All that space to sneeze, but you're gonna start sneezing on my fucking neck? Are you kidding me? Oh my lord!
I put it in my arm.
What do you mean? I'm not a snap fucking attack box. What are you talking about? You got all this space to sneeze.
I did. I sneezed in my hand.
No, that had my neck. That had my neck. Fuck out of here. Talking about your hand. So if how it hit your hand, why hit my neck then?
I put it in my arm.
Was it your hand or your arm? Which one?
I put it in my arm. I'm sorry. Oh my God. It was an accident. It was an accident. I didn't mean to sneeze on you. You act like you act like I sneezed my whole snot on you.
That was pretty wet, honey. What do you